What if I told you that the most powerful spiritual text ever written is not about renunciation, not about escaping the world, but about beauty? A beauty so profound that it dissolves ego, awakens energy, and reveals the very structure of the universe. This ancient text is called Saundarya Lahari, the waves of divine beauty. And today we step into its sacred mystery. Saundarya Lahari is a 1,000-year-old Sanskrit hymn attributed to Adi Shankaracharya, one of India's greatest spiritual masters. Yet, this text is unlike anything else he wrote. Every verse is a mantra. It is said that chanting these lines with a pure heart can change the vibration of your very cells. It's a book that claims beauty isn't just in the eyes of the beholder. Beauty is the fundamental fabric of the universe itself. The Saundarya Lahari teaches us that there is no spirit versus matter. Everything you see, the trees, the screen you are holding, the breath in your lungs, is a ripple in that same ocean of beauty. It does not worship a distant god. It worships Shakti, the living, breathing power behind all the creation. The Divine Mother, Lalita Tripur Sundari, who is beauty, consciousness, and energy itself. Saundarya Lahari is not poetry alone, it is Tantra, devotion, philosophy, and awakening, woven into 100 verses. The text unfolds in two waves. The first, Anand Lahari, speaks of energy, Kundalini, chakras, the inner ascent of consciousness. The second, Saundarya Lahari, speaks of beauty, the goddess's eyes, smile, form, each revealing cosmic truth. Together, they whisper a powerful message. Liberation is not away from the body, it is through the body. One verse says, without Shakti, Shiva cannot even move. Here, consciousness without energy is lifeless, and energy without consciousness is blind. Creation happens only when Shiva and Shakti unite. This union is not only cosmic, it is within you, your awareness, your breath, your desire, and stillness. Saundarya Lahari teaches that the universe is not outside you. You are the universe remembering itself. Deep within you, at the base of the spine, rests Kundalini Shakti, dormant, coiled, and waiting. Not to be forced awake, but invited through devotion, through awareness, and through grace. As the Kundalini rises, she awakens the chakras, transforming fear into power, desire into devotion, thought into silence, until finally she meets Shiva at the crown and the duality dissolves. This is not destruction, this is homecoming. Saundarya Lahari reveals that the goddess resides in the Sri Yantra, a sacred geometric form. Triangles within triangles, creation unfolding from a single point. The outer layers of Sri Yantra represent the world. The inner layers represent the mind. And the center, the Bindu, is pure awareness. To meditate on the Sri Yantra is to travel inward from noise to stillness, from form to formlessness. But why so much emphasis on beauty? Because beauty silences the mind without any effort. The goddess's eyes soften fear. Her smile dissolves suffering. Her form awakens love without attachment. Saundarya Lahari teaches that beauty is not temptation. It is liberation in disguise. When desire is purified, it becomes devotion. When love is refined, it becomes freedom. In a world obsessed with striving, Saundarya Lahari whispers, slow down. You don't need to escape life to be spiritual. Your body is sacred, your emotions are energy, and your awareness is divine. Grace matters more than discipline, sincerity more than perfection, and the Divine Mother responds not to rituals alone but to presence. In the end, Saundarya Lahari reveals a simple truth. What you worship, you become. If you worship fear, you shrink. If you worship power, you harden. But if you worship beauty, consciousness, and sacred love, you awaken. Because the goddess you seek has never been outside of you. She has always been you. Saundarya Lahari isn't just a book to be read. It's a wave to be ridden. It invites you to stop looking for God in the clouds and start seeing the divine in the mirror, in the stars, and in the person standing next to you. If this ancient wisdom resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe to Sacred Text of the World, where we uncover hidden knowledge and bring ancient wisdom into modern life. Until next time, stay aware, stay sacred.